Welcome to my channel.
Good evening. Do you have a table for two? Yes, right this way. Would you like to see the menu? Yes, please. What's today's special? Grilled chicken with vegetables. Can I have some water first? Of course, I will bring it right away. Are you ready to order? Not yet, give me a few minutes. I did like a bowl of soup. Sure, chicken or vegetable soup. Do you have any vegetarian dishes? Yes, we have pasta and salad. How would you like your steak? Medium rare, please. Can I get some extra napkins? Of course, here you are. Would you like something to drink? Yes, I'll have orange juice. Can I change my order? Yes, what would you like instead? Do you want fries or salad with that? I will take fries. How spicy is the curry? It's medium spicy. Can I get this without onions? Sure, we can make it without onions. Are you ready for dessert? Yes, I will have ice cream. Can I see the dessert menu? Here you go. Is the cake fresh? Yes, it's baked today. Would you like tea or coffee? I'll take coffee, please. Do you have sugar-free options? Yes, we have fruit salad. Could you bring some ketchup? Yes, I will bring it right away. How is the food? It's delicious. This soup is a little cold. Sorry, I will warm it up for you. Can I get another spoon? Sure, one moment. Would you like to order more? No, I am full. Thank you. Can we get the bill, please? Yes, I will bring it right now. Do you accept credit cards? Yes, we do. Is service charge included? Yes, it's already included. Can you split the bill? Yes, no problem. Do you have Wi-Fi here? Yes, the password is on the table. Can I reserve a table for tomorrow? Yes, what time? Is outside seating available? Yes, but it's a bit cold today. Can you make it quick? I'm in a hurry. Sure, I will do my best. Is this dish halal? Yes, it is. Do you want sparkling or still water? Still water, please. Can I get a kids menu? Of course, here it is. This portion is too big. Can I take it home? Yes, we will pack it for you. Do you want to try today's special drink? What is it? Mango smoothie. Sounds good, I'll try it. Excuse me, this isn't what I ordered. Sorry, I will fix it right away. Can we move to another table? Sure, please follow me. Do you need a high chair for the child? Yes, thank you. How long will it take? Around 15 minutes. Do you have gluten-free bread? Yes, we do. Can I have extra cheese on my pizza? Of course. Is there a buffet option? Yes, from 12 to 3 p.m. Do you want your coffee hot or iced? Iced, please. This table is too noisy. I will find you a quieter one. Can I speak to the manager? Yes, I will call him. Do you deliver food? Yes, we do. That meal was wonderful. Thank you. I'm glad you enjoyed it. Goodbye, have a nice day. Goodbye. Come again soon.
Thanks for watching. Design plus Canva. Learning starts at home. Subscribe for more daily English.